Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Claudia J. If you haven't yet, go ahead and click the subscribe button. For today's video, I'm going to show you how I install these passion twists. The braiding pattern I'm going to show you today is pretty much how I install all my crochets, whether it's box braids, passion twist, jumbo twist, anything that involves any type of extension except loose crochets. This is pretty much how I do it. So I want to show you guys how I do it on my channel because I don't think I've done it in a really long time and it's a question that I get quite often. So today I'm going to record it. So if you're interested, just keep watching.
Oh, I can tell by your vibe. I can see it in your eyes that you don't like. Intuition don't lie. Don't pretend you're a friend when I'm on in the spotlight. Big regular, this is real regular. I can tell you don't like them, still like it.
Okay, so I am starting out on freshly washed, deep conditioned, blow dried hair. This is how I start all my crochet styles. I don't like to start any protective style on dirty hair, so I always make sure to wash and protein treat and do pretty much anything I need so my hair is healthy and it has everything it needs before I put it in a protective style. Let's get into what you'll need for this tutorial. You'll need your hair, of course. I'll be using the Freetress spring twist, the edge control of your choice, rubber bands. I always cover my rubber bands with oil before I put them in my hair, and of course your crochet needle. So like I said before, my hair is already all blow dried. I'm just going into my hair and making all my parts the way I like them. I know a lot of people don't care about parts. I care about my parts when I do my hair, so take that how you want, if you want your parts to be nice or not. I prefer my parts to be really nice when I'm doing my hair. Now I'm going into how I do the front of my hair. As you can see, I already did the back, so I'm showing you how I do the front just like I did the back of my hair. I'm going to part all of the front of my hair and do them into singles. So as you can see, I part my hair and then I put edge control to make sure that my roots are nice and smooth, and then I go ahead and put the rubber band around my roots. Make sure to put oil around your rubber band so it does not snag your hair. So after putting the rubber band, you're just going to braid your hair down all the way to the roots. When I get to the ends, I put the wax on my ends to hold it all together so it won't get frizzy. And I'm going to just repeat this process until I have the whole first row of my hair done. Now that I have the first row of my front of my hair done and I also have the back done, I do this for versatility reasons because it makes it a lot easier to put your hair up and make it look natural. Okay y'all, it is like 2 days later. I finished my hair and doing all of this, but then I started my hair at like 10 o'clock at night, and so I got tired and just didn't finish. So I'll be showing you the rest, but I did want to come really quick to show you my braiding pattern after it was done. So this is the front, and then I braided small braids straight back here till about halfway, and then I combined them in the front. And then yeah, and then when I finish braiding all my braids in the back, I sew them down just for some extra security. I just feel like it holds my hair better. So yeah, this is the front. This is what the rest of the braiding pattern is looking like. And now I'm going to install the hair. So this is the hair I will be using. And I'm hoping I bought enough packs because I only bought 4 packs because they said they were double packs, and now I'm like scared that this is gonna be enough hair. I'm hoping it is. I usually always buy just enough or like to have enough extra, and for some reason this time I'm just not sure. So we will see. Okay, I put some hair in the back with the singles, and so I'm going to show y'all how I do the front. I was like, let me take my glasses off, y'all. You know I can't see. So this is the hair, and I have a crochet needle, and if you don't know how to crochet, you're going to open this part. You're gonna put the hair, well first actually you're gonna put the hair through here. So I put it under the rubber band. Take this loop, you're gonna hook it on, close the latch, and pull it through. Then you're gonna take the end, slide the latch closed, pull it through, and then you just pull it. And I just make sure to cover up the rubber band. And then I take my little braid and I put it in between each little space of the twist and hide the braid inside of the hair. So my tip for this part is to not to be lazy and to be as patient as possible and get your braid in between as many little spaces between the twist as you can, because then you can just hide it better and you won't even notice it. The better your hair matches, the easier it is to hide the braids. Okay, I am all finished. I have installed all of the hair, so I want to show you guys the finished product. This is what the front is looking like, and this is what the back looks like, and the length, and this is what it looks like when I pull up my hair. I did end up running out of hair. I originally bought 4 packs and I did need a 5th one, so I had to run to the hair store really fast to go get a 5th pack. But yeah, I think 5 packs is enough. I did buy 2 packs at the beauty supply store, but I only used maybe 2 or 3 out of the 6 packs, so it's about 5 packs of hair, and each pack of hair has about 20 twists. So I counted the very first pack I opened had 21, but the rest of them all had 20. So I would say you get about 20 twists in each pack. I got 5. I will leave the link below of what website I bought the hair on. Also, this is also why I tend to buy my hair online. It's just so much cheaper, because for the 4 packs that I bought the hair online, I paid $35 for all 4. And then because I ran out of a pack, I had to go to the store, and just for the 2 packs I bought at the store, I paid $20 versus the $35 I paid for the 4 I originally had anyway. So I highly recommend ordering your hair online if you can. And if you want to go see the hair, I'd honestly suggest going to the beauty supply store, looking at the hair in person, maybe even taking a picture of it, and then going home and ordering it online. It is just so much cheaper. But yeah, let me know what you all think about this hair. I added some hair jewelry to it. I'm probably gonna keep this in for about a month because I don't feel like touching my hair right now, but I really like it. The hair is super light. I pretty much don't feel anything on my head. It's really light, and so I'm excited to see how this lasts and hold up. But yeah, leave a comment below. Let me know what your favorite let me know what your favorite crochet hairstyles are and what which ones you like to do. Yeah, and share this video to anyone that was helpful. I did get a lot of questions every time I do crochets, how I do it. So I hope this is helpful, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.